Guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you a magic trick of Adobe Photoshop. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop, minimize the Photoshop, then open your desired photo. After then, create duplicate of photo. Right click on the photo and select duplicate. Now from layers plate, select adjustment color, then select solid color. From color picker, select white color, then press OK. Now from the layers plate, select normal to soft light. If you select normal to soft light, then your photo will be like that. Then from the layers plate, select the layer and hit the Ctrl plus I. From the layers plate, select normal to soft light and set opacity 100% or depends on your photo quality. Now from tools, select brush tool or hit B from keyboard. Then from option, set the diameter for the primary brush 80% or 80 pixel. Then swap on photo where you can change. Swap everywhere where you can change the photos. Click on the place where you can change this photos color. After completing the changes, hit Ctrl plus E. Select Magic Wand tool or hit W from keyboard and for the changes background color as you record. After selecting the background color, press or hit delete button or Ctrl plus delete. For smoothing, select blur tool from tools, swap and remove unwanted object. Changing the photo and photo's background color, see the before and after finishing the task. That's it. See you on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.